Hello everyone, I am Sapna from Masterclass IELTS. Thank you so much that you are watching the videos, that you are liking the videos and you are sharing with your friends. I am here with another video today which is about 7 days, 7 bands plan. Yes, 7 days may how can you improve in your IELTS score? How can you get good band score means 7 bands in your IELTS exam? That's what the video is about, and for that you have to watch the full video, you have to subscribe, you have to like, and most importantly you have to share with each and everybody who is going for IELTS exam, who is sitting for IELTS exam. So all the best guys. Make sure that you note down all the points which I'm going to discuss in this video. Many of the students, my students who come here and they take coaching from me, they ask, ma'am, कैसे करें, कौन सा ऐसा plan है, कौन सी ऐसी strategy है? Because most of the students who are working, they are professionals and they are taking exam, they want to sit for IELTS in a month, but they don't know the exact strategy, the layout, the plan, the structure, how they can get and what kind of preparation should they do so that they can get good band score like 7. 8,777 is the minimum requirement for a professional, and for that what you need to do is you have to watch this video, take a pencil and a paper, jot down the points which I am going to discuss in this video so that you come to know what can be done if you want to get 7 bands in your IELTS exam. If you don't have time, so this kind of video will help you out, right? Also, if you think that this video was really good and it was helpful, it was beneficial for you, so please do share with your friends and hit the like button, don't forget that, and also subscribe to the channel, share with the maximum number of IELTS aspirants so that they can also get the benefit out of it, right? So let's start. The first thing that I want to tell you, actually I know it because I have scored 9. So I want everybody to score like that. From when I got the certification from IDP, I came to know about the layout, the structure, each and everything about it. So let's start with it. The first tip which I would give you if you want to go for 7 days, 7 band plan in reading, what would you do? You have to take out 7 readings a day. Oh my God, 7 days. 7 days and 7 readings a day? That's not possible. How can you say like that? It means 7 readings. It's 7, 3 the 21. It means 21 passages a day. Oh my God, it's gonna be very difficult. Yes, it is, but what you need to do is you can do 7 passages, right? At least do 7 passages or 2-3 readings a day so that you can practice very hard. You come to know what are the areas, what are the problems, what are the things, questions, type of questions which are very difficult for you and you are not able to solve it, right? So the first tip which I discussed is you need to do 7 readings per day. Take a break, don't, because the mind gets blown away after doing 1 reading. So how can you do 2, 3, 4 readings consecutively? No, at a stretch you cannot do it. Some of the students might think, ma'am, how is it possible? How can you say like that? See, it is tried and tested method. Yes, you can do it also. If I can do, you can also do, right? So make sure that you read the passages thoroughly, not thoroughly like we read a novel or a book. No, it means that you understand it and you try to solve the reading passages, right? Skimming and scanning and finding the keywords, paraphrasing, all the things are considered here For that, if you want to know about true, false, not given, headings, match the following, MCQs, if you want to know about these questions, you can watch my other videos which are also there in the playlist of reading. But I have discussed the first thing. The second thing that you need to do for improving your band score to 7, from 5.5 to 7, 6 to 7, or 6.5 to 7, right? And for that, the first thing was you have to take 7 readings, right? After that, what are the problem areas? As I told you earlier, that you have to find out about, like, if you are aware, if you don't know about true, false, not given, if you're having problem, if you're getting less scores in that, just practice that type of question for few days. Yes, don't do the whole passage, don't go for that. You just need to do true, false, not given for a week, or you can do headings for a week, or you can do MCQs for a week, right? If you want to know the strategies, you can come over, you can discuss with me, you can take personal and individual online classes as well for that, or you can join my WhatsApp group where the topics are discussed, the tips are given, and the 7.5, 8, 8.5 band essays are also shared, right? The next tip that you need to do is, you have to score 7 bands. It means you have to make sure that you are learning at least 70 words a day from your reading passages. And the spellings are must, because if the spellings are wrong, it means you are not getting bands. The bands are already deducted because you won't write the right spellings there. How will you get bands in reading part? And this is also for the listening part. You can get I have also shared this kind of list with everyone, with my students who take personal coaching from me, and you can also take that. You can get the most frequently questions in and the words which come in reading and listening, and you can get that, right? Also, you can practice that, learn the spellings by heart, and then you can continue. Okay, so the first thing is, okay, where I was saying that if you want to have this thing, then what you can do is you can have spellings, then you can get the list of vocabulary, and you can learn the paraphrasing. All the things matter. Yes, and the last tip is that you need to do paraphrasing. How will you do that? How will you learn the paraphrasing skill? You can come to me. I have used the video of skimming and scanning technique in my reading part. You can also use that and do that. All the best, guys. These 3-4 tips will help you for sure, and you can increase your bands and do well. All the best. Those who are appearing in January, do watch all the videos so that you can learn more. And if you want to know anything about any of the module, just let me know. I'll make a video and I'll put it up here. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.